Growing up, potato was my favorite vegetable. It still is. So today we are going to prepare a simple potato fry curry. We are going to take 2 potatoes and peel them. Now you can replace the potato with other vegetables and make the same fry curry. Now we're going to cut the potatoes into 1/4-inch pieces and add it to water. Potatoes have a lot of starch in them, so adding it to the water removes some of the initial starch so that it doesn't get sticky. We have rinsed and drained our potatoes, so we're going to add it to a saucepan and add double the amount of water. Transfer it to the stove and then bring it to a boil on a high heat. The potatoes will take about 15 minutes to cook, and that's when you're going to check for doneness using a fork. A fork should easily pierce through the potato. Oh, looks like our potatoes are well done, so we're going to drain the potatoes and set them aside. Now we're going to prepare the second part of the potato fry, which is the tempering. We're going to let the pan get hot and then add a tablespoon of oil. The oil is hot, so now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And once they start to crackle, you're going to add the broken whole red chilies. Make sure your tempering does not burn. If you need to take it off the flame, just do so. And then we're going to add the boiled potatoes. Fry for about 5 minutes and then add a sprig of curry leaves, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt, and then finally we're going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder. Toss it in the pan, let it fry for a few more minutes, and your potato fry curry is ready. So there you have it, from our kitchen to yours, potato fry curry. Until next time, namaste, and thank you for watching Eats India.